Hey guys, how's it going? This evening we are at my parents' house in their garden and we are going to be planting up 5 containers for summer. 3 of them are at the end of this pool. They get blazing hot sun and they're iron containers. They get really hot, but I think I've got great plants for that sort of situation. And then there are 3 window boxes on the north side of their house that get pretty much full shade. And what I'm going to do for those, I just filled the back of the truck with all the things that I had that would like that sort of situation, and I want my mom to come out and just pick all the things that she loves, and then I will plant them up for her. We're also going to have dinner together and we're going to do some swimming as well. In fact, I think my dad is just arriving. Yep, there he comes. I took his spot. Can you smell these? I wish you could smell these. They are just gorgeous. And look at these, and then look at this one. Oh my word, that is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. It was all I could do to fit it all in here. Let me get it opened up and arranged so that Mom can come take a look. Look at all of these beautiful things. Oh my goodness. So first off, the plants I brought out for the iron urns at the end of the pool are the mangaves called night owl. And I'll give you a better look once we can see from the top, but look at the structure. It's kind of like the catch-a-wave we just planted in our big concrete urn, but these urns are much smaller and this one is smaller statured as well. And then I'm gonna give it a shot again if they'll fit. I thought about putting the lemon coral at the base, but we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. I think they're absolutely beautiful. There's 1, 2, 3. And then all the rest of this stuff my mom can choose from for the window boxes. We gotta go get her though. I also have some cocoa fiber liners. I don't know if you could see those. I stopped and grabbed some brand new fresh ones. Do you want to come see the plants?
Yes.
It's our swimming basket right there. I uncovered the pool.
You did?
I did, yeah.
Perfect.
It looks really nice.
Oh my gosh. This is like you brought Andrew's hair.
I know.
Oh, this is so amazing.
So you just pick out whatever you want and I will put them in the window boxes.
I like all of it.
Well, three window boxes, Mom. I could try.
No,
We might be able to do it.
no. But how do you choose?
I don't know.
I mean, it's just so pretty. I love this. I love all of this.
What do you think of these?
I think those are very cool.
Aren't they
And I
awesome?
think they'll fit in those urns just great.
I think so too. I don't know
Yeah.
about the lemon coral. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah. But oh, wouldn't that be pretty with the lemon coral?
Yeah.
I have to show you something.
Oh,
Come
yes.
and look.
Oh, that's a yes. Oh,
Look at that.
oh, my peonies aren't open yet. That is so pretty.
Isn't he just so?
Ooh,
He's so cute.
yeah.
He's
Papa's
happy.
here. Papa's here.
Papa's
Papa's here.
Yeah, Papa's here. And look at the begonia plant.
Oh, yes. Oh, and the color that's mirrored here with
Isn't
that
that
begonia.
pretty?
Yeah, let me get close on
Yeah.
this real quick. Look at this. This was a hanging basket that came in. Mom snagged it and just popped it down in here. And I think you didn't even transplant it, did you?
No.
It's just in its peat
Well,
pot.
I'm going to.
You don't even need to though.
I
Why?
don't really need to, but I just kind of just plopped the whole thing down.
Like
in there.
if you get in there, you can see, but you can't see
Well, I
otherwise.
just think when it just grows a little
Yeah.
bit, you won't even be able to see.
I wouldn't.
And it won't disturb the roots if I
Right.
just leave it.
Yeah.
So I really like it.
That
but
is
I'd like
pretty.
these two together.
Do you want to show everyone your grass?
Oh yeah.
Because they saw the trees go in. Since we planted the trees, I don't have you planted some tree roses and the grass.
I planted 2 tree roses and 2 crimson glory vines.
Okay.
And grass.
Okay, let's see
Okay.
it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this.
Look at that.
That drip just ran, so we can't walk through there.
No.
I got the flip-flops on.
Right.
Look at the grass. It looks like a putting green.
It does, doesn't it?
Yes. That is so pretty.
Coming along.
It is. We're not going to really walk on it here, but
It won't be long to where, because that's the same kind of grass as this old. This is our old grass.
right.
This is the only little piece that was saved.
Well, hey,
So-
that was
Yeah.
that was nice.
We had
yeah.
a start. It was a start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really struck by how weed-free it is.
We are too.
That's kind of wild and
Yes.
amazing.
Yeah.
And
But,
then,
yeah.
you can see the tree roses. What variety?
It's Poet's Wife, David Austin, Poet's Wife, and then on each side is a Crimson Glory vine,
I love that.
which is the fruitless grapevines.
Uh-huh.
So,
And then those were hanging baskets as well.
oh well,
in
you
pots.
know
I
what?
love
It's
it.
just such a cheat.
Well, I love it. I'm gonna go up
Yeah.
there because this is a pretty spectacular blend of plants. I think. I don't even think they have names on them, but we might be able to identify some of them. It looks like grape punch and sparkling amethyst. Yeah. Oh, grape punch, sparkling amethyst, super bell's white, and are they all the same? I think they are.
Yeah, they're all the same.
Which is super pretty. Oh.
And then, oh, look at this.
Oh, part of your Mother's Day present.
I love this. Isn't it pretty right there?
It is pretty right there. Probably loves its life too
Yeah.
in the sun.
Yep.
Oh, look at this though. This was just a dust bowl the last time we were here.
Yes.
So there's the second update.
That is our lawn mix from Andrews.
So it's a Kentucky Blue perennial rye.
Perennial rye.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
So it stays green longer months out of the year. One goes to sleep earlier than the other, and the other one wakes up quicker than the other. So between the two of them, they cover you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we planted in the big lawn.
Oh, is that
Same
right?
stuff. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so nice. Okay, we need to get back to the task at hand though. We need to go get your hay rack liner or forms. Dad said that they're 30 inches. Are they really 30 inches or are they 24s?
I don't know.
I might have to do some cutting of those liners.
Okay, come and look at this way.
Okay. And you guys, I do apologize. I forgot to bring an extra microphone out. So I'm trying to make sure that the wind isn't hitting the camera audio or anything like that.
Now, Laura, I cut these back.
Yep, the hostas we planted.
That's showing new. That
Oh,
one's
good.
showing new leaves,
Yep.
and that one's got new leaves. This one, that one, and that one are they were just done.
So we planted these hostas, remember you guys, in a video, and then right after that, and they had been forced to grow, a little quicker than the rest of our hostas around here. We had a 27-degree night, and all of our hostas got nailed, so they'll be fine. But these are the windows right here, these two, which look to be 24 inches, and this one right here. Are you guys gonna wait to trim your boxwoods, or are you gonna do it this spring yet? It's gonna get so hot.
I'm gonna do it right now, between now and the 1st of June.
Oh boy, that means we should probably do ours too.
Yeah.
So many things to do right now.
Go out here and take a look.
Okay.
One of those.
Yep, it's the second one in, right?
I don't know. It'll tip off on you.
Yep, I'll check them all before I do it.
It's so heavy. You're gonna have like Dad and Aaron.
I'll have Aaron.
Yeah.
Pretty day today. Look at it.
Isn't it beautiful?
I don't even think it's quite 80 degrees, is it? Feels hotter than that.
It does
Whew.
feel hot. In the shade, though, it's lovely.
It is.
Oh, Laura, there's already liners.
Oh,
There's already liners.
praise be.
Yep.
Oh, and those are totally 24s. No, Dad might be right. Those look 30.
Those look 30, don't they?
Yeah. Well, I'm excited to see what you pick out. Hey. Yeah? What? These are window boxes. Yeah, see? We're going to hang them on the wall by the house.
I see them
Well, yeah.
inside it. They're all of them.
Well, it's all empty right now. I'm going to fill them with soil. And they're going to be awesome. Should I just plant them right out here leaning against the rocks and then I can just lift them up to the... I like that idea. So down at the garden center, they have these pre-formed liners, these cocoa fiber liners, and they are nice. Like they last usually for a good couple, 2-3 seasons.
2 years.
Yeah. So this must just be your second year with them,
Yeah.
which is nice. So I'm just going to put the extras back in Dad's truck
Yeah.
to take them back down to the garden center. Okay, so while I'm filling them up with soil, do you want to just bring me plants? Tell me where to put them?
Okay.
I love this. All right, so Mom has chosen the Wicked Witch Coleus, Lime Thyme, the Big Leaf Wire Vine, the Coral Colored Impatiens. What is the name of these? These are tropical shades.
Yeah, but they look just like salmon.
They do. And then the White Begonia. That's such a pretty mix.
And then this one,
Same on that one, I think.
height. Yeah,
Yep.
got some pinching to do.
Yes, you will. Mm-hmm.
And you know what you do, Laura?
What?
You just make it do what you want it to do.
That's,
That's what you do.
that's right.
Hey, I've been gardening for decades.
Yeah.
That's what I do. all
You
the
just
time.
force the plants to do it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly. If you just want to lay it out, then I will get them all planted the same.
Okay.
It's kind of hard doing it from the back, isn't it? Do you want me to flip one of them around?
That's okay.
Okay. Oh, that's so pretty.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not going to have enough room in this for all of these things.
I thought you'd make plants do what you want them to do.
Laura?
What?
You use smart pants. I mean, I want it to be full.
Yeah. We could just jam pack them full and see what happens.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We're gonna mess with these for a few minutes, and then I'll show you what our final,
That's right.
what we come up with in the end. All right, guys, this is what we came up with. We don't have it planted yet, but there are 3 coleus in the back. Now keep in mind this is going in full shade, so these will not get as big as the tag says. Maybe. We handle it. Yeah. And then we've got 3 of the, of course I pulled the tag and I can't remember the exact name. The Nonstop Joy Mocha White Tuberous Begonia. They're absolutely beautiful. And the thing that I love about these is the backside of a lot of the petals have that pink color, which mirrors the color of these impatiens, which are the tropical shades again, and the tag reflects nothing. That tag is like a traffic cone.
It totally is.
Yeah. And then 2 of the wire vines. So let's get this one planted up. We're gonna hang it on the house, see if we like it, and then we will carry on with the other 2. I want to test this out on the house quick before we plant all of them up. Full shade.
It's really bright.
Mom said they're full shade. Well, they're probably full shade in the dead of summer. Look at how beautiful this is. Now, we were just commenting on the sun, and I wonder if these used to be as full shade as they were when the locust tree was here, which that was removed late last year. Either way, they're in the shade until about now, which I want to say it's close to 6:30 in the evening, maybe 7-ish. So I think they'll be just fine. And that is a gorgeous mix. I love it. I might even have to repeat something similar in our pots underneath the balcony. I'm gonna get to work on these last 2. Got all 3 of them hung and they look awesome. This one is still in a little bit of sun. This one is in more shade right here. Might be able to see a little bit more detail. Oh, so you've got the lime thyme in the back, flanked by 2 of the Wicked Witch, the white begonia, pink impatient, wire vine, white begonia, wire vine, pink impatient, white begonia. That is so pretty. And then right around the chimney here, there's the other one. I love it. That one does not look level, but I double checked. Maybe it's just the way I'm standing. I don't know. I double checked and it is on the bolt just how it's supposed to be. And this is how they attach to the house. You can see the bolt that goes in and there's just a washer, just a really large washer around the bolt. And so you can slide the hay rack right behind it and it just holds it in place. And both of these are on the bolts how they should be. So I'm guessing we're good. View from overhead. So pretty. I think we're gonna take a small break for dinner and then I will tackle the urns at the end of the pool. Okay, ready to get back at it. We had BLTs and fresh cantaloupe and strawberries. It was delicious. And I think I would like to size up one of these by the container before we decide to bring this over. You gotta be careful when you're carrying these around. Some of these mangaves do not have sharp spines along the edges of their leaves, and some of them do, and this one does. such a cool looking plant. Oh, all right. Here are the 3 pots. Ooh, got some bees flying around here. Oh, these are gonna look awesome. And I don't know, let's get this planted and then we'll just have to make a decision after that as to whether or not that lemon coral sedum will fit. The issue is that the leaves lay so flat to the ground that you really need to have them up a little bit more in order to fit stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go get a little bit more soil and we'll get to work. The breeze is now picking up, of course. The kids and my dad are in the pool right behind me, and the pots look awesome. Look at that. Oh, the lemon coral sedum, now it was a bit of a squeeze, but it's absolutely beautiful, and I feel like it brings that pop, that light. And of course, we're getting toward the end of the evening now, so that's when these come into shade. This one's in a bit more sun right here still. Oh, they just show up beautifully. The architecture is amazing. So this night owl variety, these are supposed to grow about 6 to 8 inches tall, which I would say we were at least 8 inches tall, and 16 to 18 inches wide, which I think we're there, zone 9 through 11. So I told Mom that if she wanted to winter them over, that would be awesome, or I will come and take them out of these pots and winter them over in our greenhouse, and they should be great. But if you get close in on them, you can see all of the dark spotting on these leaves, and I just love how wavy they are, but they're still like they hold their form so beautifully. And lemon coral sedum is always a great one. I mean, landscape containers, super adaptable. It's going to do really well with this one because they both have low water needs, but both of these are surprisingly able to take more water than your traditional succulents. I'm done with this wind so far this spring. And here's a look at one of them in the shade, the top view here. Isn't that pretty? Maybe we should see a top view, the one in the sun. So gorgeous. And these containers, they set up on their own drip zone, and they always have, so it's perfect. They can just run these, you know, at this point probably once a week, and when it really gets hot this summer, maybe twice a week, and they should be just perfect. And you guys, that is going to do it for this evening's projects. I want to make it into the pool before we lose sunlight, so that is what I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these containers come together. I loved it. I always love doing projects out here. It makes me very happy. So anyway, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.